mga tagahanga ng Eraserheads ang nabitin sa naudlot na reunion concert ng banda last year, it seems that this time around, even more fans came to witness the band's last dance on the rock and roll stage. Isa na rito si Joseph Olarte, na maituturing na yatang biggest Eraserheads fan dahil sa kanyang extreme display ng admiration para sa banda.
Soundtrack na ng buhay ko yan, and at some point, I even had a tattoo of the symbols in their third album na Caterpillar, all of the symbols of their songs. Yeah, yun. I think that's the most extreme out of all na ginawa ko as a fan of Eraserheads.
The Baguio native also came to Manila with a mission. Ang makumpleto ang kanyang tattoo collection ng signatures ng E-Heads na nasimulan na with Ellie's personal imprint.
Actually, akala niya hindi ko tototohanin eh. Pero day later, after niya nilagay yung signature, pinatato ko na yung signature niya. So it's here. Hindi niya pa nakikita, pero I hope he does soon. Gusto ko makita nila para ma-validate, para makita nila na may fan tayo na nagpatato siya sa binti.
And with that indelible proof, binigyan ng Showbiz Central si Joseph ng rare, up-close and personal encounter with his music idol.
Ito na.
Kung marami man ang nabitin last August, last night, Marcos Adoro, Buddy Zabala, Raymond Marasigan, and Ellie Buendia made sure that all the fans will get to witness the concert that they waited too long for. This time there might have been a little less fanfare, ngunit sa bawat awitin, muling na iparamdam ng Eraserheads ang walang labis, walang kulang, at walang humpay na ligaya sa lahat. Ngunit hindi makukumpleto ang final set without the band's tribute and farewell sa kanilang collaborator at kaibigan na si Francis M.
Pinag-usapan namin, siyempre, para kay Kiko yung set kasi kasama talaga siya doon eh. Kaibigan, isang matalik na kaibigan, isang non-stop na creative artist na kahit may sakit siya, magka-email kami, katrabaho siya. Gusto niya pang sumalang nung nakita ko siya kasi paano niya gagawin yun, pero in his mind, gagawin niya eh. So, tinalo lang siya ng...
At kasabay ng kantang Huling El Bimbo, Ellie Buendia finally closed the Eraserheads chapter nang pinaliyab nito ang symbolic piano ng banda.
Yung sticker Happy Piano eh. Gulat ako nung nakita ko na nangyayari. Tapos nagpanik ako nung nakita ko na yung hawak niya is umaapoy na kasi anytime baka sumabog yun sa mukha niya. So sumisig ako, Ellie.
Pero while everyone else left the concert grounds, sinama ng Showbiz Central si Joseph backstage para matupad na ang matagal na nitong pinapangarap.
I want to show you something. It's actually an art. Well, you'll see. This is Caterpillar. This is your whole.
Oh my God!
I need a camera. Caterpillar, all the songs. That's the icons of the Caterpillar album.
Okay.
Wait, I deserve something. Pare, from the first step kanina. Sorry, kawisan. Got it. Oh! Sobre yan ah.
Yeah.
Meron pa yan.
What's the dog matter?
Caterpillar. Ata yung buhaya. Kung gumawa nun eh.
Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to research life.
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Pinasaya nyo kami. Sana napasaya namin kayo kahit sandali.
And with a few souvenirs and his priceless memories to take back with him, wala na sigurong makakapantay pa sa Eraserheads experience ni Joseph.
Thank you, Showbiz Central. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Wala nang mga katanggi pa. I am #1 fan of the Eraserheads.